might even grow a carrot that doesn't look like it came from a sci-fi movie. Carrots, a garden staple, offer vibrant color and a sweetness that intensifies when roasted. From salads to juices, beets bring an earthy sweetness and a visual feast with their vibrant hues. Radishes, with their quick growth and spicy bite, add a delightful crunch to any salad. Chapter 4. Turnips, Hearty and Humble. Turnips, often overlooked, are a cold weather staple, lending their earthy flavor to soups and stews. Chapter 5. Parsnips, Sweet and Nutty Wonders. Parsnips, with their unique sweetness, are delicious roasted and make a flavorful addition to soups.
Know you've been a good friend.
Chapter 6. Sweet potatoes, versatile and nutritious. Sweet potatoes, a nutritional powerhouse, shine in both sweet and savory dishes. Chapter 7. Potatoes, the world's comfort food. Potatoes, a global staple, offer endless culinary possibilities, from fries to mashed delights. Chapter 8. Onions, the flavor foundation. Onions, the base of countless recipes, add depth and complexity to our favorite dishes. Chapter 9. Garlic, small bulb, big flavor. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and numerous health benefits, is indispensable in the kitchen. Chapter 10. Ginger, a spicy, zingy kick. Ginger, known for its medicinal properties, adds a warming spice to both sweet and savory dishes. Chapter 11. Turmeric, golden spice, golden benefits. Turmeric, with its vibrant color and anti-inflammatory properties, is a staple in curries and more. Chapter 12. Rutabagas, the underappreciated root. Rutabagas, a cross between cabbage and turnips, offer a unique flavor and are perfect for mashing. Chapter 13. Celeriac, subtle flavor, endless possibilities. Celeriac, also known as celery root, adds a delicate celery flavor to soups and stews. Chapter 14. Horseradish, a pungent kick. Horseradish, with its intense heat, adds a powerful punch to sauces and condiments. Chapter 15. Jerusalem. Artichokes, nutty and crisp delights. Jerusalem artichokes, also called sunchokes, offer a unique nutty flavor and delightful crunch. From the vibrant hues of beets to the earthy depth of potatoes, the world of root vegetables offers a diverse palette of flavors and textures to explore. Remember, gardening is a journey of patience, learning, and the joy of nurturing life. So, get your hands dirty, experiment, and savor the rewards of your labor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And remember, as Audrey Hepburn reminded us, every seed we plant is an act of faith in the promise of a brighter tomorrow.